Have you ever wondered what happens to the human body after death? What changes take place step by step once life has ended? In today's video, we will explore the fascinating scientific process of human body decomposition in a simple, educational, and respectful way. So let's begin. Stage 1, the fresh stage, 0 to 24 hours. Right after death, the body looks almost the same, but inside, silent changes begin. The heart has stopped, oxygen supply ends, and cells begin to break down. This process is called autolysis or self-digestion. Internal bacteria now start their work, beginning the first phase of decomposition. Stage 2, the bloat stage, 1 to 7 days. As bacteria multiply, they release gases. These gases create pressure, causing the body to expand. During this stage, insects, especially flies, may detect chemical signals and begin the natural cycle of breaking down the remains. The body now slowly transitions from stillness to biological activity. Stage 3, active decay, 1 to 3 weeks. In this stage, the decomposition process becomes faster. Soft tissues begin to break down, and the environment, including insects, bacteria, and microorganisms, participates in recycling the body. Fluids released into the surrounding. Soil provides nutrients for plants and organisms. Stage 4, advanced decay, 1 to 3 months. By now, most soft tissues is gone. The environment play a large role. Temperature, insects, soil type, and humidity all affect how fast this stage continues. Nature begins balancing itself, and the remains continue returning to the earth. Stage 5, dry decay or skeletonization, months to years. In the final stage, all that remains in the framework, the bones. Over years, weather, soil, and natural elements slowly break them down until eventually there is nothing left but minerals that returns to the environment. Decomposition is not just an ending. It is a part of nature's recycling system. It transforms what once was living into the nutrients that support new life. In the cycle of nature, nothing truly disappears. It simply changes form. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you so much for watching.